Hi, this is Fran with Stampendous, and I wanted to give you some tips and fun ideas about the new birthday numbers cutting dies set. And this one came out at the same time as the gift card wallet and the gift occasions. But let's start with some ideas on this one, and we've covered a bit of the other two we'll get to in another video. So if you see the packaging on this one, on the back, we put a little sticker up here. For best results, run rectangle dies through the machine the long way. And what we mean by that is, like on this strip here, you've got a lot of length this way, and they do seem to cut the best, those detailed ones, going that direction. It's just the design and the amount of pressure that runs through that seems to work the best that way. And this set is so fun because it certainly works for all kinds of birthday ideas. You've got balloons and birthday cakes, and then this starburst can either be light from the candles, or it can be starburst. It can be fireworks, lots of fun things with it. And I wanted to make sure that you know in your set you see the 5 and the 6 next to each other here, and it's not missing a 9. The fact is that the 6 and 9 are exactly the same. So you take your 6 and you turn it around this way, and now you've got a 9. So just to make sure you don't think you're missing anything in the set. But I love this set for being able to personalize cards of all kinds, birthday to anniversary and even holidays. And I wanted to show you, for example, here. So I have a friend who just had his 70th birthday. This card's going to be late. But I wanted to show you how the numbers and the TH or whatever are all in the set so that you can customize it. So here's some cards still sort of in pieces. I did some little watercolors. I actually have two couples that got married on the 4th of July. And my friends are having their 38th anniversary, so I did a card for that. And then I have an employee who we say started working on the 4th of July. And so we have a 10-year work anniversary for that. And you certainly could make this card for the 4th of July. And then one of my dad's shipmates, a World War II veteran, is having his 95th birthday. So how fun is that to be able to do a very customized idea with these dies and having all the different numbers for any birthday that you need and any anniversary. And then here I have a couple of Christmas cards. And again, I can use the 25 and all of these numbers with whatever, the TH, whatever you need. They were all designed to fit real tight together into the balloon. And I can't believe I didn't think of this until just now as I was playing with pieces. But here is what starts out to look like a green balloon. But hey, you turn it around and now you have an ornament. So all of these little pieces can be fitted together. And then I realized that our set, the Build-A-Wreath, here that probably lets you see, the Build-A-Wreath cutting die set has lots of other interesting pieces that will perhaps be fun combination here, where my ornament might have some little sprigs. I have that. I have holly in that set and the little berries. I have a beautiful bow. So anyway, lots of mix and match ideas to where these sets will come in handy for making some quick Christmas cards. So here you can see how the balloons can be used for numbers and words and starbursts. And the balloons with the cake, you can make chocolate cake or lemon cake or whatever you want. And I love the glitter paper for the starbursts and the fun celebrations there. And here in different colors is just very festive. And then all of these pieces fit on the wallet. When it's folded up, if you want to make that side of the wallet be the interesting side, that will work. And also on this one, the gift occasion balloons works with one of the balloons just going off the side to give you a nice frame there for whatever number you want it to be. And that one is the gift wallet, so you perhaps on the inside have a wonderful gift card. So I hope you'll have fun with the birthday numbers cutting dies and enjoy them for personalized birthday cards, anniversary cards, and for holidays as well.